naman kami, paano sa Itbulaga? Pag pinapanood niyo yung Aldab, na mag-meet na sila every afternoon, paano kayo sa set?
Actually, you know, the beauty about Aldab, it's organic. You know? Pati kami kinikilig. Kahit nakikita mo naman nila, sa host, even kami kinikilig. Noong una kasi parang, with Alden at least, pa-joke lang, yaya daw.
Yes.
Eh ngayon, totoong pangalan na ginagawa. Medyo, so we were thinking, parang ano to, hindi na mangyayari to. Aba ngayon, parang nagkaka-develop pa na dalawa. And I think all the viewers, whether you're a viewer, you're there, tumatawid sa camera yung emotion.
Yeah.
You can actually see it, the way she smiles, the way he smiles. It's real, and I think that's why it's so powerful and it's so effective. Kasi, yun nga, it's that thin line between comedy, drama, that elements. And then even we do not know what's gonna happen next. Honestly, as a host.
So talagang walang script, it's all...
Yeah. It's all organic. It's all organic. Pati kami, even if you ask me now what's gonna happen tomorrow, I cannot even answer that question. I wish I knew.
Yeah.
Pero I'm kind of happy that I don't know.
Yeah, so you have something to look forward to.
Precisely. I'm kind of happy I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow because it gives me something to look forward to. It gives me something parang, wow, more characters, wow, may angle palang ganito, may ganyan. And it's a good break from, I mean, ang dami natin pinagdadaan sa bansa. Politics, traffic, mga rally. I mean, I think it provides a good break from all the stress that we are dealing with as a nation in the Philippines. And even worldwide, I think tumatawid siya because when I think with that aspect, it's the love factor. The love is universal. I think it's something that people can feel. If it's real, people feel it. I think that's what Aldab brought to everybody. I think that's what makes us proud as Pinoys and as human beings that we can produce something like that, something world class, diba? Organically. I think it's not just the pride of Itbulaga, it's the pride of the Philippines. Na kaya natin maging world class performers out of nothing. It can show that. Oh, Pinoy, magaling kumanta. It just showed the Filipino, kahit anong pagawa mo sa Pinoy, kayang gawin. That's why it put the Philippines on the map. It represents the country for me.
Did you admit that you yourself is a fan?
Yeah, of course. And me and Alden, we work together every day. Yung segment namin. So, yun, nakakapanuan nila. Pops, ano na ba mga galawan natin? Eh, pati siya. I feel ko yung mga ano niya.
Excite siya.
Kaya inuhuli-huli ko siya minsan sa camera. Parang, okay ka lang.
Kasi kinikilig nakikita talaga.
What I experience, working with him, I want to share with the fans. That's why I do that.
Yeah. Para malam nila na natural. Na meron.
Wala pa yung kalisiri. Medyo inaano ko na siya.
May na-surprise kayo na bigla talaga all of a sudden bilang,
yeah, I think it's really phenomenal. Even for me, I'm so surprised. Like, yung mga love team, binubuo yan eh. Minsan, okay, gawa tayong movie, gawa tayong ganyan. Kahit nga minsan walang chemistry, ginagawa. Kailangan may chemistry kayo. But the beauty of it is just so organic. It wasn't planned, no scripts, nothing. Let's work, let's see what happens. And that's, I think, what happens when you just let things be. That's the beauty of it.
Pag dumating yung time na magkita sila,
ako mismo, kapit ako sa upuan ko. Ako mismo.
kilig.
Oo naman. I just watched him na kinikilig ako na nagpalang ako eh. All the more pag dumating na ang tamang panahon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.